love your picture walls too. Alright, so we're here, I think it's the last day of the RTR. We're looking at some of these different rigs. That was a cargo conversion right there that this guy's been working on. There's a bunch of other ones, so we're not going to do full-on tours, but we'll show you some of them. They're pretty interesting. So here's another way to do it. Here's a truck topper, camper type. Look at this.
It was where I took you that one night.
Everything you need right there.
Remember when I took you when you came up around Christmas?
No way. Are you sleeping in that thing?
I looked at
Lots of cars out here people got set up too. Check this one out.
and it's a diesel. I get about 60 miles an hour.
Wow. Well, thank you for sharing your setup with us. Even in a Volkswagen Bug, it can be done. Pretty cool. Here's a Prius. Got the bed in the back there. Everything you need. Got the rack on the back. Extra stuff. Got the puppies. Where there's a will, there's a way. You can make it happen in any kind of vehicle you got. There's literally a truck topper in a truck. So not like a camper, but a truck topper. Check this one out.
Try different rigs and sooner or later you get the perfect.
Very cool. So many ways to do it. All right, so check this one out. They got everything with them. Got the truck. Got the golf cart. Got the camper.
Water tanks. They have these massive.
And they got cargo trailer to put everything else they need in it. I don't know what it's like triple towing with a bumper pull and then a utility trailer, but apparently they're making that happen. I'm scared to triple tow with a fifth wheel and a trailer, but little mini schoolie. All right, take a quick look inside this mini schoolie right here.
Nice place.
Look at that.
How tall is it?
I think it's about 6'1.5 feet.
Okay.
How tall are you?
6'1". So I got
Okay, yeah, a little
bit,
sideways.
yeah.
Very cool. Look at that. Got the
7
cabinets.
foot 8 wide.
Is this your art?
It is. Yeah, I drew that a couple of years ago back in high school.
And you got a YouTube channel, you said?
Yeah, I'm the Wayward Wanderer. I've got like most of my build progress on there and a couple little vlogs I've uploaded, but
Okay.
I've got about a 12-part series doing the build process of this.
All right. Very cool. Wayward Wanderer. Go check out the Wayward Wanderer if you want to see how it was built. And here's the other side of that, the Wayward Wanderer's schoolie, so he can open his windows wide open.
Are you going to go there too?
I am, yeah, I'm actually.
That would be fantastic on the beach.
Yes, I agree.
And also he's got his dirt bike back here. All set up, man. That's a little flavor of what we're seeing here. There's several more cars and trailers, and we're not going to go show all of them, but pretty cool. If you get out here to Quartzsite, and specifically if you get out here to the RTR, like I said, I think this is the last day here this year, but next year they have all kinds of events like this. And we're hoping to actually go to the Schoolie Palooza if we get a chance and check out some schoolies, because they're just pretty cool. Love seeing the creativity of people.
Go catch it. Oh, you're so good.
Seeing a couple of ambulances out here too. So cool. Right here we got an ambulance converter. Check this out.
Maybe van life is just not for me.
No? Why?
The bathroom situation.
Yeah,
Can't ever figure that one out.
I could see that. Yeah, I like my bathroom and my flush toilet, so that'd be a sticker for me. I'd have to have that somehow. Clara B. Oh, you got a nice. She's been begging me to make some shelves like that in our camper.
Oh, there you go. Everything has to pull out, you know?
Right.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, okay, so you put a wall on that side so it don't fall, but you can get up to it. Okay, you're back to the nice hanging up here, and then you're one. Okay. What brand is it? know what Randy did. Oh, really?
This comes down and the mattress falls on it.
Wow.
And then there's storage here on either side of the wheel well.
That is awesome. I love that.
See?
Oh, like
These are
hanging
all
bags
people
down
like-
there.
No, yeah, hanging back. Ta-da.
That is awesome.
There's another set of hooks here.
Okay.
These are
That's incredible.
more storage.
Yeah, that's great.
More medicines, more this,
Right.
that. Wall.
Yes.
Right. Right. Get it vertical versus sitting flat everywhere. Look at that. So let's just hook up
They're
there.
just on hooks.
Very cool. Well, thank you for showing your rig to us. I love all your ideas. Open these?
So were these part of the ambulances? Were there?
No, my son built all of this.
Look at that. Very cool. I love all the ideas that people have. It's so cool. Self-priming manual pump, and then you have a pump over here too.
Electric pumps, yeah.
And then your rack back here is awesome
Oh yeah, I
too.
have everything.
So cool. Thank you so much. I'll get out so somebody else can come in here. The stairs off the back. I just love the creativity of people. Right.
That's why I took my reflectors off of the window. Regular, furniture, basically.
Right. This is cool.
I'm not a very eclectic taste.
I didn't catch on to that. Very cool. Thank you for sharing it with us. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Awesome rig.
that for a long time.
That's so cool.
Out of the ones that I've looked at today, this one is definitely my favorite. I really like how she has her kitchen and her tea set and all of that, and she has good storage for her clothing, and she has it super homey in here, and she has her room up here, and then she can get down easily to her driver's seat. She said she was talking about like the safety of that, and I totally agree with that. She's got her little cat up there and her kitty litter box. And then she also does a ton of little artwork and stuff that I'll be buying and putting onto my walls in my room. So, yeah.
All right, so this one is obviously Autumn's favorite. She has a YouTube channel, Vanna Mae, so go check her out on YouTube, Vanna Mae. Super sweet. Very cool. So this was a good time. We thought we were coming to look at schoolies, but this was really cool too. So many different ways to do it.
Yeah.
You ready to move into Gladys?
No.
We could set Gladys up as like Autumn's camper.
No.
Maybe not just yet. All right, guys. Well, we are going to carry on with our day. We're going to have a great day.
You have a great day.
We'll catch up with you next time. Bye, y'all.